Hello guys, hello everyone. It's a beautiful day again. And here we go, here's my 1992 Toyota Corolla. So guys, we are crossing again in this Highway 43, Alberta, Canada. Look at that. Woo! So you see that highway, it's a beautiful highway guys. Not much vehicle on that highway, so we are enjoying right now driving on this road going to Grande Prairie. So last week we've been there, but now we're going again. Oh no! Because we need to pick up 2008 Nissan Navara. Wow! Oh no, sorry. Nissan Armada. It's a big massive SUV guys, so I need to pick it up and I need to fix it before I'm gonna drive it on this highway, because it's very what do you call that, the front end is smashed up. The guy who owned it hit a deer. He gave me a good deal, so I need to fix it, and we're gonna use it for camping this summer together with my friends. So guys, I'll show you today what I'm having here. This car, my vintage car, this classic car, it's full of parts inside. So I'll show you. This is a fully restored car, so I don't want to scratch it. This is well maintained. And I'll show you the inside here. What's inside? See? When you open it, it sounds like a classic car. Look at that. That's awesome. So here we go. There's a bag here, 2 bags. Because we are stay there overnight, and there's another bag there full of food. Oh my God. You can see guys, the inside of this vintage car, it's very clean, and wow, it's a simple car. That's what I need. You don't need a fancy car. As long as there's heater and air conditioning, that's good enough, and you can drive this car simple, and they built it to last. As you can see there is a old car stereo. Look at that. And my navigation system. So 2 seats here, manual window, crank window that never breaks. Alright, let's go to the back seats guys. As you can see here, look at that. Full of stuff because this is the parts of the Armada. I put it here. All the radiators are in there, the rad supports are in there. So I'm lucky this beautiful car is very useful because the back seats are foldable. You can see, just pull this up here, the top of the seat, and you can drop it down. So everything here, I put like a cushion in there so that it will not shake while I'm driving on the road. So the grills, radiators, rad supports are there. Also the fan, everything in the front end of the Armada is inside there. But there's no bumper though, because I'm going to just make it running when I arrive there, just to make it running and I can drive it. Doesn't matter if I don't have a bumper, and I can put the old bumper in. Okay, let's gonna open inside the trunk. So guys, I show you here how to open the trunk. So this is the traditional Toyota. You pull it here and you can open, and there's also beside it the fuel. So open the trunk. Look at that. Woo! That's a bunch of stuff in there. Oh no! So I grab my tools here, everything, so that I can fix the vehicle there. I have an oil drain pan to it. And that's the fan for the Armada. And this one, that's the your built-in fan. This is the electronic fan. So all the oils, the coolants is in here, everything. Oh no! There's a bunch of engine oil here, the transmission fluid, because the transmission fluid is almost gone on that vehicle. Oh no! So I need to replace it. There's the engine oil, the coolant is in here, and I have some belt. I brought some belt too because the belt's broken in the thing. Oh no! So I have a dressing. So everything's complete here, guys. That's all I need. So traveling this one, I need to be complete so that everything is smooth. Nice. When going there, so you don't need to mess something, because this area here is in the middle of nowhere. You can find parts there. Oh no! So you need to bring parts, everything you need fixing the vehicle, right? And this Corolla, just in case, I'm having the parts of this Corolla like sockets. An example, if you get your tires, if you know your tires leaking, you need to change it or something, you need a socket, 21 socket. So that's the Toyota. And also Nissan, they use a 21 and they don't use a 13, so they're using a 12 socket. 15, 17, those are most important. Like, and then you cannot put a heavy weights in this car, guys, because it's very, it's not for hauling. I just put everything. I don't have a truck right now. I'm still fixing my truck, but I think it still be okay because the weight of this is comparable to the 3 people at the back. Probably 3 persons at the back is more heavier than this stuff. It's not much heavier. The most heavier is my tools. But as I said, I didn't bring all the sockets. The sockets that I have and the impacts of that one is the most important. The only sockets I have is the one that they're using in the Japanese vehicles. All right, so everything's here, like flashlights, I have those stuff in case emergency. Everything is here. Guys, this is very useful. I love this car very much because its seats are foldable. That's a beautiful car. All right, guys, we are having more, like 3 hours more or 2.5. We drove already for 2 hours and a half. So going to Grande Prairie is 5 hours. So we're gonna cross the highway again. So we're gonna go finish it another 2.5 hours to 3 hours. We're just driving not too fast because I'm fully loaded. So you're gonna drive 100 kilometers an hour. So that's it, And maybe I guess like in a straight road, I need to go like 110 because the maximum here is 110. So I need to, but I don't need to hurry because tomorrow is the time that I need to fix. Right now I don't need to hurry to slip over there. So we just take our time and chill on the road. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see on more stuff about this Corolla or my travel vlogs here and my music videos, especially my auto works. All right, thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video. Stay tuned on the next video there in Grande Prairie. All right, let's go. And keep rocking. Woo. Let's go. Take care. Have fun.